What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Before I start off the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you showed me on my last video. That video just like blew up out of nowhere, and I just really appreciate it. I love to go through the comments too and engage with you guys, and I appreciate the support. It's amazing, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like, if you guys want to see some different content on the channel, let me know. Like, leave a comment down below. But if you guys just want to see more N54 content, N54 for life, we got you. I can do that. In today's video, we're actually going to be working on Erwin's fully built N54. We're going to be starting a new like little series that we're doing. We're going to be installing a Max ECU standalone ECU system, and it's going to be like this is going to be episode 1, as you guys can probably tell by the title. But we're going to be going step by step on the installation process of him going with the standalone ECU. Obviously, Erwin knows a lot more than I do, so we're gonna go over to his place right now. We're gonna take a look at his 335, and he's gonna give us like a little breakdown of everything that we're gonna do, and should be good. So I'm just gonna fire up the 335 right now. We're gonna cruise over to his place, and I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so we just got to Erwin's, and as you see, we got the fully built N54 right here, the German 2JZ, and we're about to actually start working on it. And Erwin's going to explain to you guys, as I was saying earlier in the video, he's going to explain to you guys exactly what he's done so far to it and what the plan for it is. So here's Erwin,
so guys,
here's the German 2JZ.
New start to a long journey. Right now, basically, fill you guys in. We got a little surprise. Hint, hint. Hint, hint.
Oh, okay, here we go. He wants to get it right in the shot. There's the Max ECU, guys.
Before you start shitting yourselves, there's a couple reasons why we did this. Main reason was, well, two main reasons. One was for reliability.
Yeah.
Was tired of the N54 DME problems.
Stock ECU.
Yeah. We were having problems with the direct injection system. It was dropping rail pressure at higher RPMs.
Oh, okay.
We could have figured it out, I'm sure, but it was just, in my opinion, it was just, I was just at the end of the road. You know, I wanted something more.
And it was a lot to deal with CD and doing the remote tuning, especially because he's not here in person
and stuff. I wanted to get the car properly dialed in. You know, I wanted the tuner here. I wanted someone local.
Yeah.
So
nothing against CD, but
yeah. So a local tuner to me, Chanel Engineering. Yeah, basically was the one that convinced me to do the Max swap. So he's gonna get it dialed in.
There's a couple guys who've been talking to the forums. They're doing so Max too.
Big shout out to Joel, Nico, Steve, Ramon. You guys are the best. Probably wouldn't have been able to do it without. There would have taken me a lot longer.
Yeah.
Not that it's already done, but getting there, you know. But
so here's how it's looking.
So far, a couple of things we got checked off the list. We got a Drift HQ DI delete. We welded them in, so those things are not gonna leak. I know some people are having issues with theirs melting up and stuff, not seating correctly. If your cylinder head DI ports are worn out, it could cause blow-by, which will get them too hot and they'll melt.
So the direct injection's been blocked off?
Yeah, the DI's been plugged, welded. We blocked off the high-pressure fuel pump with a VTT plate. So no more of that bullshit, no more high-pressure problems. We're going to be running a return-style fuel system with dual fuel pressure regulator, boost reference.
That's for this one right here, right?
Yeah, that's the blue thing right there. Basically what the fuel pressure regulator in the return system is going to do is allow us to keep the fuel pressure exactly where it needs to be. Keep those injectors happy. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So we'll be able to get full range of use with them all the way up to, I think they're 1,000.
Yeah.
1,100.
Speaking of
1,100 real
injectors,
horsepower injectors.
these bad boys right here, as you guys
So these
saw,
are the ID 1700Xs.
top of the line.
They're good for about 1,000
Yeah.
wheels.
Fahim, the E36 M3 actually installed the same ones, right?
He did ID 1300s, which are better for pump ethanol mix. These are a little big if you're going pump. I heard guys still get good AFRs with them on pump, but
Oh really? I didn't know that.
they're considered like a mixed ethanol pump. I think you can even run methanol with them.
Methanol?
Yeah, you can run methanol with them. They're methanol safe, which a lot of injectors aren't.
Oh, okay.
But these are the good hybrid injector if you want to go big power.
Yeah.
But you also want to be able to drive the car on pump.
Nice.
So we wouldn't have been able to do that if we went 2100s or ID above 2000 cc. So we got those injectors. As you guys can also probably see, took out the DME box, took out all these sub connectors, whatnot. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running the loom through the factory firewall, where the stock loom would go, under the dash. Basically, we're going to be running the ECU inside the car. And then,
where did you want to put it in the car? Or do you think
I'm thinking of the glove box probably.
Yeah, that'd be really
Somewhere
sick.
where you can get a good Bluetooth connection. I know it'd be fine over here.
Yeah.
But I'm going to be running M dash, so I want that ECU close to me. I want to be able to.
That's cool, and it would be really nice
it'd be
and clean,
close,
the engine bay.
So we're going to get the ECU in there. I'm thinking of making an aluminum reservoir. Having Ali take up an aluminum reservoir for the DME area. So I
Get
can
the
rid of
welds
that-
going?
Get rid of that Volkswagen one. Maybe we can even do a expansion tank and a catch can combo, like half catch can, half expansion
Oh,
tank.
that'd
So
be
we
sick.
can really clean up this area.
Yeah.
And then it'd be a lot cleaner because, you know, the catch can lines would go straight there.
So you're thinking about putting the reservoir and catch
Reservoir
can
and the
here?
catch can here, lines going straight there.
Oh, that'd
opening
be
up
cool.
This area,
That'd be cool.
get a proper mount for that. Just we want to tidy up this build.
Yeah.
It's a mess, but
Clean,
As-
no wires, nothing.
yeah,
eh?
as of right now, that's what we've gotten done so far.
There is the Max ECU in the box. Do the little unboxing. Gotta open it slowly. Gotta run the music. Boom. So there it is. Oh, what do you got over there? Some R8 coils?
Yeah. Yeah, so basically we got the smart coil conversion. If we wanted to use the stock coils, we would have had to use an external igniter. So these are cleaner. It's going to be a cleaner setup. No external igniter needed. They have them built in.
Nice.
We're going to be running a flex fuel. So
Oh,
true
yeah.
flex fuel. That
Finally.
stoked for that. Flex fuel. On the fly map changes.
Yeah.
Boost
So hold on.
adjustments.
So Erwin and I both bought flex fuel about a couple months ago, but due to the port injection that we were previously already running, it wasn't gonna be properly
Let
working.
me say it.
Okay, here, let Erwin explain
So-
it properly.
Dujo and I bought flex fuel a couple months, a year ago.
Yeah.
Either of us didn't realize that we weren't going to be able to use it because we later added port injection and
Exactly.
we were using a split-second controller, an
Exactly.
external fuel controller, so we couldn't integrate the flex fuel to work with
We'd
it.
basically have
We
to
would
change the
go DI
maps.
only, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we would have to either change the fuel
Flash
maps,
on the split second
split
every
second
single
maps,
time we would
or-
want to.
or
Yeah.
and we would have to change our MHC maps.
Yeah.
custom.
So it didn't really
it
make
didn't
sense.
make sense. It wasn't a real flex fuel.
Yeah. But now that you're going with the Max ECU,
Yeah,
you
so
can
the
finally
Max-
hook that up,
The
right?
Max, yeah, so I deleted the direct injection, so the Max is only controlling the port injection. It's going to be able to control the scalers, adjust for more fuel, less fuel.
Nice.
So it's going to be true flex fuel setup.
Yeah. Standalone's gonna be awesome, man.
Yeah.
Just all the.
Lots of safety features and whatnot. So many extra logging parameters. I mean, you just have so much more control of the car.
Well, these are all the original wires you took out.
So this was the the loom. There's two sides to it. Basically, there's the ignition loom and all the water pump and the fan stuff and the thermostat, and then there's the basically the engine loom, which is all your sensors, your digital inputs, all that stuff is over there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Pete coming through. So we basically covered pretty much everything.
Episode 2, you guys are gonna see this thing running. Mark my words.
In one episode, they're gonna see it running.
I don't gotta spill the beans, but
Yeah, see, brought to you by next spring when Outer Banks season 3
yeah,
comes.
this
ha.